Come test drive 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, tow hitch, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.